to come back and join and celebrate with you in the 12th year of ESLYMPICS next year. I am telling you. Never enough, never enough, never for me. I'll bear with my voice and my eyeballs. If coming up on stage once is not enough, then surely the second time is enough. That's the very reason why I came back for a second round. Oh, you see my eyeballs. They're naturally huge. I'm not scaring you. Well, this is the chance for me to redeem my lost treasure. And as I stand here, do you see what's there? It's down there. Mr. Contest Chair, Honorable Jury, my humorous contenders, when is enough not enough? Well, I know you have not enough stories. Let me ask you, how much did you sleep last night? You say, not enough. Especially so, to my fellow speakers, I feel you. How about your allowance this week? You totally say, not enough. Well, problem is solved. We're in the right hand. Who knows? The prices get doubled this time. That's exactly our shared stories of having not enough. But this is mine. As I have said, coming up on ESLYMPICS stage once is not enough. That's why I came back. Same as I am. For I know same speaker is not a disqualification. Right, Mr. Contest Chair? Well, I know you have seen me last year, but still I am fresh as I am. And you know what? I bring with extra care. Why care? Ask me why. Because you know what? I lost control over my mischievous fingers and eyeballs last year. The judges and the guests and the speakers last year don't know that this is my natural eyeballs. And I used to scare them. But now, I'm telling you, they're natural. And if today is still not enough, I am telling you, I am determined to come back and join and celebrate with you in the 12th year of ESLYMPICS next year. I am telling you, I am determined. I will never give up. I'm telling you, don't ever give up, whatever. No matter how many times, once, twice, third time, I'm telling you, never give up, because I'll never give up. Just keep fighting. Contest Chair.